Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hello. In the question, we have to add the following two vectors. So one vector is given. So let us call this vector as A. This is to be 12 meters south, and the another vector which is given is, let us call this vector as B. So it is 15 meters at 55 degrees north of east. So these two vectors are given. So graphically it will be represented in this way. So we have this coordinate system. So this is the coordinate system which we will adopt over here. So this is the east, this is north, this is south, and this is west. So then this is x direction and this is the y. So A vector is 12 towards the south. So this vector will be represented over here. So this is vector A, so which is of 12 meters. Then we have this vector B which is at an angle of 55 degrees. So this vector will be like this. So this angle is given to be 55 degrees, and this B magnitude is given, that is 15 meters. So we have to resolve the vectors. So we can write vector A as equals to minus 12 j cap, because it is pointing in the negative y direction. So that is minus y, and j is the unit vector along the y direction. So and B vector we can write it as, so if we resolve the components, so this, if we drop a perpendicular, so this component will be B cos 55. So this B cos 55 is along this x direction. So it will be B cosine of 55 I cap plus B sine of 55 along J. So this, if we see, this part is B sine of 55. So now we plug the value and find out B. So this B will be, B is 15. So this is 15 cos of 55 I cap plus 15 sine of 55 J cap. So this angle B turns out to be 8.60 I cap plus 12.28 J cap. So if we add this two vectors, so adding vector A plus B, so this will give us vector A is minus 12 J cap plus vector B is this 8.60 I cap and plus 12.28 J cap. Now if we do the component wise addition, so it will be 8.60 I cap plus 12 minus, so this will give us 0.28 J cap. So this is the vector. So if we take the magnitude, so the magnitude of A plus B will be equal to, it will be square root of this 8.60 square plus 0.28 square. Now if we square this, this will be very small, and so that is why we can do direct approximation. So vector A plus B magnitude will be approximately 8.60. So actually it should be 8.6045, but we will write 8.60. Fine, it will be 8.6045 meters. So this is the magnitude, and if we want to find out the angle, so it will be theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. So y is 0.28 divided by 8.60, and if we calculate this angle, So it turns out to be 1.86 degrees. So with this we complete our solution. I hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.